Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is a comparison between the Thule Evo Clamp base roof rack system and the Thule Edge clamp base roof rack system. Both of these systems are designed for approved vehicles with a normal bare roof, and both of these systems require a fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and 4 of these contoured rubber bases. So let's just take a moment and show how these parts attach to the underside of the feet. Okay, so let's take a look at how to attach the fit kit components to the feet. Now it's the same method whether it's the Evo clamp or the Edge clamp system. So here we'll just look at the Evo clamp system. First we'll just remove this outer cover. Next, on the underside, you'll see there's a pivoting base plate. And here we'll take the rubber base and just press it to the underside around the perimeter. Now you'll notice here that there is a number assigned to this particular rubber base. In some kits, you'll have different numbers. And so you can keep organized by using stickers that are included in the fit kit to identify a foot for a particular position on the vehicle and make sure that you follow the instructions to use the correct number for that particular position. Same thing with the metal door frame bracket. There's a number, and to install that, you just insert it and it will click into place. And then you reference the instruction sheet on the positioning fore and aft on the roof. And once you have that positioned properly, you take the included tool and you go and tighten the fasteners evenly. And once it's fully tightened, this tool will click, indicating you've reached the maximum correct tightness. And then finally, you can insert the cover and snap that into place. And with simply a coin, you can use that to turn the plug here and lock that cover into place. There is an option to replace this plastic core and with a metal locking cylinder, and those are sold separately. Okay, so now let's take a close-up look at the Evo clamp system. Here we have a mock-up with the Wing Bar Evo load bar here in the powder coat black. It's also offered in the silver as well. Now the main feature that separates the two apart is that the bar will extend over and beyond the foot, giving you more carrying capacity on the bar width-wise. Now let's take a close-up look at the Edge clamp system. So the Edge clamp system has the styling with the flush-ended design, the shortest possible bar, and the lowest profile. Here we're featuring it in the silver, and it's also available in black as well. Okay, so those are all the main differences between the two systems. Please see the link in our video description where we have our vehicle fit guide. That way you can determine exactly which components work on your particular vehicle. If you have any questions or comments about either of these systems, feel free to leave those comments below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.